Thank you for viewing this official Hikvision video tutorial. Today we will be learning how to reset the password to our Hikvision device using the SADP tool. In order to reset the password to your Hikvision device, there are two things we will need. First, we need a computer with the SADP tool downloaded. Second, we need a method of connecting your computer to the device needing to be reset using Wi-Fi or a direct Ethernet connection. To download the SADP tool, navigate to us.hikvision.com on any preferred browser. With your mouse, hover over Support, then click on Tools. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the SADP tool, then click on it. Next, click Download and give the tool a few moments to complete the download process. Once it is finished, open the file and double-click the SADP program. This will launch the SADP Setup Wizard. Check the box next to I agree and click Next until the Setup Wizard is completed. SADP should open automatically and should be displaying Hikvision devices currently on your network. Please note, if you are wishing to reset the password to a Hikvision camera, you will need to connect your computer into your Hikvision recorder. To do so, we can plug into a camera or LAN port on the back of the recorder. If the cameras are connected to a switch, you can simply plug your laptop into one of the open ports on the switch via Ethernet. Resetting a password to a Hikvision recorder only requires a Wi-Fi connection. But we have to make sure that A, the recorder has a physical connection to the router giving it access to the network, and B, our computer is on the same Wi-Fi network as the recorder. To export a password reset file using the SADP tool, start by clicking the small checkbox next to the device name. Then click Forgot Password. Next, select Export Device Feature Code File. If you are running an older version of SADP, your page might look a little different. In this case, you would just select the Export option. Next, save the file to any location of your preference. Keep in mind, we will need to navigate to it after it has exported. If you see a green checkbox appear, you have successfully exported the password reset file. If while exporting you did not get a green checkbox and instead received an error that looks like the following, make sure when you launch the SADP tool you select Run as Administrator. Also, ensure the device has not lost its network connection or power during the exporting process. Try closing SADP, rebooting the device, and relaunching SADP as an administrator. Then attempt to export the file again. Something else that is common is SADP giving an error that the device is locked. If this happens, this means there were too many attempts with the wrong password when trying to log in and the device locked as a security feature. To get around this, simply power off the device by either unplugging or turning it off at the power supply for 5 minutes. Then reboot the device and try to export the file again. To send in a password reset request, go back to the Hikvision website. Click on Support, then scroll down till you see Technical Support and click on the option that says Password Reset. Then on the next page, fill out the required info, such as your name, email, device serial, and model number. After filling out your information, click Upload and navigate to the XML file we just exported from the SADP tool. Finally, at the bottom, click Submit. This should complete your password reset request. You can expect to receive a newly generated reset file within 30 to 45 minutes. Once you have received your emailed response, scroll down and download the provided attachment. This file will be used to push the password reset to your device. You will know this is the correct file based on the _02 or _01 at the very end of the file name. If it came in as a zip file, you will need to extract it first. Next, open your SADP tool. Check the box next to the device needing to be reset, then select Forgot Password on the bottom right. Next, select Import File and locate the _01 or _02 XML file that was provided in the email. Now you may create a new password for your device. It will need to contain a combination of 8 to 16 letters, numbers, and/or special characters. Please note, it cannot contain the word admin or numbers in consecutive order such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. If you get a green checkbox saying Succeeded, congratulations, your device's password has now been reset.